So this week we're going to be talking about color, specifically color in media such as film and music. What is a color scheme? In art, a color scheme is a choice of colors used in various artistic and design contexts. So here are examples of color schemes. There are colors that go good together, that may complement each other, colors that create the overall atmosphere of the piece of art you are looking at. So we are going to be creating our own color scheme. You're going to be using an image from a movie or music video that you enjoy, just like this one. This one is from Black Panther. And you're going to take that one image from that movie and you are going to be adding all 10 colors. In this PowerPoint, I added some Google Draw quick tips and tricks on this slide. Now let's look at color schemes in movies. So these are examples of color schemes used in film. This one is Midsommar. I also put all the credits in for the colorist, costume design, decoration, cinematography. These are all forms of art and all careers in the film industry that you could make if you wanted to go into an art-specific field in the film industry. So these are just stills from movies. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to grab one still from a movie or music video, and you're going to find the colors. And here are 3 images from Jojo Rabbit, a 2019 film. I want you to notice that they are dragging colors from each of these images. So even though this one is predominantly black, look at all the shades of the warm colors in with the black. So let's open up our own Google Draw, creating a color scheme. First, you're going to put your name of your movie. The movie I chose is The Place Beyond the Pine Trees. I liked this image a lot, so I'm going to save it to my computer, and I am going to upload it to the Google Draw assignment I am working on. So I entered the name of my movie, and I entered the year it was released. Now I'm going to insert my image. So now that I have my image inserted, what I want to do is make sure that I make it big enough to fill in my top area. I don't want to overlap my color squares down here. I just want to make it as big as I can without stretching it in any weird way. So I always want to pull from the corners. I inserted my image. I put the name of my movie I got this image from and the year it was released. The last step is just filling every single one of these boxes up with the color. They are all individually made by me for you. So whenever you select one, you can go up here to the bucket tool and put in a color. I want you to try to keep it from dark to light and keep like colors that are in this image together. So I started with the black because the frame of the image is predominantly black with the shadows and the Ferris wheel being that this movie scene was taken at night. So let's say the next color I want to do is this dark blue. I don't just want to pick the first dark blue I see. I want to also make sure that I am aware of the custom color option. So with this custom color option, I can try to get as close to that blue as I can. So this one is more like a night royal blue. Let's see how that relates to my blue that I am choosing right here. So looks like this one may be slightly lighter, and that is where I can go back in, click on it, and edit the color. Make it slightly lighter. That's a little bit closer to this area on this stripe. So make sure that you are using the custom color and make sure you fill all 10 of these boxes with whatever frame of a movie you used. Remember, there are plenty of examples I added in the PowerPoint. And if you need help, I am here to help, but this is all you have to do. Name of the movie, year it was released, image of the movie still you used, and then all 10 of these colors will be filled. In this slide, I added some music videos that just really portray color well in all these music videos. They also portray the other elements of art, such as line, shape, form, value, space, and texture. But these are some really good, cool music videos that portray color in a way.
Thank you for watching how to create a color scheme video. Obviously, depending on the technology you have, you can create a color scheme using Photoshop, but Google Draw is a free to use resource, and I hope you guys enjoy creating your own color scheme to match your own aesthetics.